something that is going. It's very fast. It's this effect.
So this is all special effects right here.
Digital effect.
Very cool. Are there designs built into this, or is it just a firing pattern, like the direction?
Yeah.
Or does it make
I
a?
don't know what's the result, but usually these things.
This is new here.
What is it?
We are going to try to make a snake.
Oh,
Yeah.
very
The
cool.
different positions is to make the snake. Five
Quitado
positions,
también, ¿no?
todo digital.
So does that get mounted onto something, or is somebody actually?
No,
No.
it's 6 meters. 6 meters up.
Okay.
To be. So you have one position 6 meters, other on the ground.
Okay.
5 positions. So it's like making a place.
Wow.
And does it rotate to fire them, or is it going to stay in one position?
No.
Thank-
It will be in 5.
Okay.
So,
Position.
yeah,
5 positions.
Yeah.
Okay.
it's very nice.
It's very cool.
That's the work that the people will like too much.
Yeah.
And then in that area, you can see the big mortars.
This is all still small.
It is all small.
Sí, tiene 60 milímetros de tamaño.
The
Por la
top
distancia de
here,
seguridad al público.
when you measure a pyrotechnic product,
Mhm.
it's measured by the caliber.
Okay. Like how big around it is.
Yeah.
So it's
This-
not.
In this area, only up to 60 millimeters
Okay.
only. But there, the big ones.
Si necesitáis algo allí, ahí está Rafa y Lorenzo. Cuando preguntáis a ellos, lo
Ah,
os
ok.
lo digo por WhatsApp, ¿vale? Venga. Allí hay 5 posiciones de montaje.
Ya, me imagino que te has explayado.